getting flustered. Hold on. Hi everybody, this is Callie with XYZprinting. Today I'm going to show you how to load the filament into your Vinci Mini W+. Let's get started. Before we get started, we'll need the following materials. To start, we will need a spool of XYZprinting 600 gram filament. We will also need a pair of clippers. And lastly, we will need a computer with the XYZ Maker Suite downloaded. To begin this process, please make sure the extruder module is installed and the black ribbon is connected. Click the link below to see how to install the extruder into your Mini W+. To load the filament, start by removing the side cover located on the left side of the printer. Then release the spool holder by pressing and pulling down firmly. Then load the filament onto the filament holder. Start by straightening out the first 1 to 2 inches of filament. Using your clippers, cut the filament at a 45-degree angle. Please note that cutting the filament flat could result in the filament becoming stuck or clogged inside of the printer. Firmly press the release arm and insert the filament into the guide hole. Load the filament just a few inches into the guide tube. The software will take care of the rest. The auto-loading function will automatically guide the filament to the extruder nozzle. Congratulations! Filament has been successfully loaded into your printer. See you next time.